Hey, what's up guys? So I have a really cool app for solving Pyraminx. It's called Solve It. And oh yeah, by the way, this is what the app looks like. So there it is. It's called Solve It. And just hit solve pyramid. Oh, here it says pyramid, but pyramid, Pyraminx, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, there it is. So what you're gonna do, so just you only have 4 colors here, so here it is. I'm just gonna solve it. I'm just gonna put the colors in just exactly like this. So we have the yellow, red, yellow, blue, blue, red, green, green, and now what else? Oh, you have to turn it here. Okay, so now I have red, green, red, green, yellow, yellow, red, blue, blue. Now I'll turn it into the next. Blue, yellow, blue, yellow, green, green, yellow, green, green. Now, before you do the bottom side, make sure you turn to the side that the middle side, and then turn the pyramid or Pyraminx, whatever, upside down like this, so that hang on a second. Okay, there's the middle side right there, right? So this is this side right here, the middle side. Now I'm gonna turn this upside down, and it's red, red, blue, red, red, green, yellow, blue, and yellow. So that's how it is. So I'm just gonna hit the solve button right here, and now it's telling me 9 steps. So here it is. So I'm gonna set my phone right here. This is what it's telling me to turn. So I'm just gonna follow along with this, and it's only 9 steps, so not long at all. So here it is. It's telling me to turn the first. Wait, I have to make sure I hold it exactly like so, like it says in the image, like it's saying or illustrated. So like so, just like that. Alright, so I'm just gonna turn this like that, then like so, number 2, number 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Oops, I messed up somewhere along the way. Yeah, we can try again. I messed up somewhere along the way, but that's okay. I sometimes get messed up, but some of these puzzles like that. But let me try this again. There it is. Exactly like that. Right, there's the middle side, and there's the right side, and then the bottom side. Alright, so I'm just gonna hit solve button. And yeah, 4 steps left. Okay, like so. Oh, it's supposed to go in the back side. Okay. Then 3 and 4. Solved. Alright, we're gonna do the final solve, but this time we're gonna do pretty quick. So 1, 2, 3, here we go. Alright, I scrambled it, and there it is. And also input colors in here as well. So there is the first. There's the first one here, and there's that. There's the middle side. There's that. If you can see that bit right there. So it looks just like that. So now this is the right side. There's that. And there's the bottom side. So there it is. So alright, so now I'm gonna hit solve button. Alright, 12 steps this time. There it is. Alright, I'm just gonna set my phone over here, and I'm gonna follow along and here to solve. And there you have it. The whole pyramid is solved. Yep, so there you go. Solved in 12 steps. But yeah, it's pretty much any however many steps, it's just random, whatever. But yeah, that's how it solves anyways. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.